Hello everybody and welcome to this rainy edition of What's New with Wildcat Construction Update. As you can see, it is currently raining and it is downpouring and raining cats and dogs. But we're going to handle this today like we used to in marching band. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
Yeah, it is raining. A lot of the rides are closed down, so what better time than now to do a construction update. As you can see in front of me, there are two construction vehicles right there. Yeah, there's been a lot of work. The station looks an absolute mess. So, I don't know what they're going to be doing. I'm not sure if they're going to be taking down the station, moving it somewhere. If that's the case, I would not be surprised if this is actually a 200-foot RMC, but we'll see. There looks like there's another construction vehicle right there. There's a whole bunch of flags and all stuff, markers all around. You see all around here. Parts of the station, the original parts are being knocked down, like those parts right there. So I don't know what they're doing, either electrical equipment or who knows. There's some more flags right there. I have no idea what they're doing. And they look like they go all the way back there. There's even another one back there, so. And it looks like I said before, I don't know if this part, but there looks like there's lights now on it. Kind of those Midway America lights. So I don't know if when RMC Wildcat opens that this could be part of the extended queue. They might be using the area on the old fun slides, but who knows. But yeah, a lot of interesting work going on back here. This also might be used for part of the queue for maybe the new haunted scare maze that's going to be here in that tent. But yeah, these go really back far. I didn't see any updates towards the front of the park, as you will see. You should have saw in the beginning of this video. But yeah, a lot of interesting work going on back here. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it from today's construction update. I'm not going to be going on top of the Ferris wheel in the Kissing Tower today. I don't think I'm going to be doing that for a little bit of a while, just because there's not much to update on. So anyway, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.